If you're like me, always on the lookout for the next big thing in the digital realm, then you've probably heard about ChatGPT. It's a powerhouse for making money online. So, let's dive into 7 proven ways you can turn this AI chatbot into your next income stream. Grab your favorite beverage and let's get started. 1. Content creation on steroids. Let's kick things off with content creation. Whether you're running a blog, a YouTube channel, or any platform that thrives on fresh content, ChatGPT can be your secret weapon. Imagine whipping up articles, scripts, or even song lyrics in a fraction of the time it usually takes. This isn't just about speeding up the process, it's about enhancing quality and bringing unique perspectives to your audience. Plus, it leaves you more time to engage with your community, or even brainstorm your next big project. 2. Custom chatbots for businesses. Imagine offering businesses a way to automate their customer service or sales processes with custom chatbots. Using ChatGPT, you can design bots that handle inquiries, bookings, or even sell products directly through conversation. It's a fantastic service to offer, and with your skills, you're perfectly poised to deliver. 3. Online courses and tutoring. There's a massive demand for knowledge out there, and with your expertise in areas like passive income and online courses, why not leverage ChatGPT to create compelling educational content? Whether it's crafting course materials, designing interactive quizzes, or providing one-on-one tutoring sessions, ChatGPT can help you streamline the process and offer personalized learning experiences. It's all about empowering others, and this tool can help you do just that at scale. 4. Ebook writing and publishing. Remember the thrill of publishing your first Kindle book? Well, ChatGPT can help you replicate that feeling over and over again. From brainstorming ideas to drafting entire chapters, this AI can assist in bringing your stories or informational books to life. The digital publishing world is vast, and with ChatGPT, you can produce content faster, explore more niches, and ultimately, grow your passive income portfolio. 5. Personalized merchandise creations. You've already seen success with print-on-demand ventures through platforms like Printify and Etsy. Now think about using ChatGPT to craft unique product descriptions, catchy taglines, or even come up with design concepts based on trending topics or customer feedback. This approach not only streamlines the creative process, but also ensures your products stand out in a crowded marketplace. 6. Affiliate marketing reinvented. As someone who's navigated the digital marketing space, you're familiar with the power of affiliate marketing. ChatGPT can take your affiliate endeavors to new heights by generating informative product reviews, compelling email marketing campaigns, or engaging social media content that drives clicks and conversions. It's about creating value for your audience while guiding them towards products that can make a difference in their lives. 7. Virtual event planning and promotion. Last but not least, let's not forget the potential of virtual events. With the world leaning more into remote interactions, hosting webinars, online workshops, or virtual conferences can be a lucrative venture. ChatGPT can assist in planning these events, from drafting promotional materials to creating engaging agendas and follow-up communications. It's a fantastic way to connect with your audience, share your expertise, and yes, earn money in the process. Wrapping up, ChatGPT isn't just a tool. It's a gateway to countless opportunities for digital entrepreneurs like us. Whether you're crafting content, designing custom chatbots, or empowering others through education, the key is to leverage this AI in ways that complement your skills and passions. Remember, the digital world is ever evolving, and staying ahead means being open to innovation and new ways of doing things. So why not make ChatGPT your next venture? Dive in, experiment, and see where this journey takes you. Keep pushing boundaries and exploring all the digital realm has to offer. Want more content like this? Sign up for my free newsletter at passiveincomeprompts.com today. Thanks so much for watching and make it a great day.